Hello everyone. President Cyril Ramaphosa broke his silence about the ongoing case of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and its leader, former President Jacob Zuma. He said he has no regrets of giving former President Jacob Zuma a remission because it wasn't specifically only for him, but it was also for other individuals, and the prisons were full at that time. He also told the journalists that the issues of politics and IEC will be handled as they move forward.
There's no regret. We took the decision as we decided that we should move in that direction, and the remission was a generalized remission. It was not specific to him. So when I took the decision, it was not specifically aimed at former President Jacob Zuma. It was a broad decision that affected many other people who needed a remission, and it was being done so that we can reduce the numbers of people in our prisons because they are burgeoning at the seams. There are too many people in our prisons. So I don't regret that decision. And what is happening with the IEC case is what happens in politics and state governance issues, and we handle it as we move on.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.